Today's tutorial, how to edit worksheet formulas in Excel using C#. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we'll learn how to edit and manage formulas in an Excel worksheet using the IronXL library in a .NET application. First, ensure that you have the required imports and that your IronXL license key is correctly set. This is crucial for utilizing the full functionality of the library. We'll begin by loading an Excel file, book1.xlx, into a workbook object and selecting the default worksheet where we want to edit the formulas. Next, you can edit or set a formula in a cell. For example, in cell 4, we can use the formula sum parentheses A1, A3 to sum the value from cells A1 and A3. Once the formula is set, it's important to reevaluate the entire workbook to ensure that it's recalculated correctly. So after reevaluating, we can retrieve the result of the formula from cell A4 and print it to the console. So let's run the application to see the updated value in cell A4 based on the new formula. And there you go. You've successfully learned how to edit formulas and recalculate values in an Excel worksheet using IronXL. This feature is super handy for automating calculations in all your workbooks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from us at Iron Software. If you'd like to get started with IronXL, please sign up for a trial on the site, continue to download and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.